Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to practice a slow, gentle flow under 10 minutes when you have less time but you feel like relaxing and rejuvenating. So let's get started. You can use as many props you want. Here I'm using sofa and a pillow. First, I'll be beginning with stretching my neck, back, and of course my shoulders and arms. And here you can see I'm doing a side stretch. With inhale, you lift your arm up, and with exhale, you just relax and bring your hand down. With every exhalation, try to connect with your breath and just be more aware with the physical stretch in coordination with your breath. That will make you feel more relaxed and rejuvenated. From here, I will directly sit into Dandasana, where my sit bones, back of the leg, the entire hamstring stays intact over my yoga mat. And I try to keep my spine long and straight to best of my capabilities to get the best out of it. And you can be in the pose for up to 10 breaths or even up to 1 minute. It might look very simple, but it has a lot of benefits. So do practice it. To make it more internal, put your hands over your heart and belly to feel your breath coordination even better during staying in the pose. And keep breathing. Like I always say, always focus on your exhalation more than your inhalations. And now here I will use the pillow to tuck in between back of my knees and fold my legs and warm up my lower body. This gives a very great stretch to my knees, my quads, my entire glutes and overall my whole leg. Be there, breathe. And if possible, add some neck movements too. And then stretch out those legs one after the other to release all the stress out of it. This is especially very beneficial if you have a long, tiring day where you stood for really long or probably you sat for really long. This really helps. Stretch out, and with every breath, stretch your feet, ankle, and relax. And while I practice, I'm keeping an eye over my daughter as well. So you can always see me looking here and there and seeing how she's observing me. And once you feel relaxed, remove the pillow. And now we will step to my favorite yoga pose, that is child pose, which will immediately gives you a lot of relaxation and energy. Here, your hips over your feet and knees wide open, and of course the pillow in between your knees, and hands above your head, and you relax. Stay still and breathe. And you can stay in the pose as long you want, up to 5 minutes, so up to 10 minutes also. And gently come out, remove the pillow, and now I will lie down over mat, facing my belly on top of the mat, and I'll try to practice some gentle back bends to make my spine more relaxed. With every inhale, head goes up, and with every exhale, I'm trying to make a movement. These are simple back bends but extremely beneficial. Be there and breathe. Feet pointed out and active legs, both of them. And once you feel done, you can relax in Makarasana. This might look like you are not doing anything, but you are doing quite a lot for your spine. And gently come up and now lie back over your mat. Here we will practice some gentle hip openers with the help of figure 4, and we are doing it in supine posture. With this exercise, you can actually make your entire pelvic muscle relaxed as well as more mobile. And here I'll practice some wind relieving poses where I'll take my knees to chest. And every time I put my legs on the floor, I do it with control. And now relax your legs, stretch your arms above your head, and just breathe. And let your entire spine relax over the mat. And once you feel relaxed, take a side support and come up. Now here, once you sit, you can stay here for longer or just wrap up your practice like I did. I hope you enjoyed practicing with me and keep practicing. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye and take care. I'll see you next time.